Hi, I'm Mariska from Thetford. Today I'm going to tell you about our compressor fridge range. This one is the T2175 fridge. This is the most popular one at the moment. It can actually, if you are looking to upgrading your absorption fridge, the N3175, the N3185 or the N4175, this one will fit exactly in that same cavity. This fridge has a 175 litre capacity. If that's not big enough, then we've got our compressor fridge, the T1274, a whopping 274 litre capacity. Top frozen food compartment, and at the bottom a very large fridge compartment as well. Just with like the T2175 fridge, your controls are at the top. You can actually operate the frozen food compartment and the fridge compartment separately to save energy. If this is too big for you, we've got a smaller option as well. The DE105 fridge, which will fit perfectly underneath the bench top. For more information about our fantastic product range, please visit our website thetford.com.au.